Though he attempted to make his mark by going after Harvey Weinstein for a behavior not unlike what brought him down.
You know, he was the face of this whole Me Too movement, if you think about it.
Yes, it wasn't very effective until yesterday.
So he is claiming, he didn't deny the allegations per se as much, saying what this was, consensual on the part of these women and himself. But where does this go?
Well, without getting lurid, even weird and bizarre and physically painful behavior consented to by adults as part of a unique relationship is lawful. So if Cy Vance indicts him, because these events occurred in New York City, where he's the district attorney, the local prosecutor, then it will be he said versus four she said if there's actually a trial. I doubt there'd be a trial. This is the type of thing that begs for a plea agreement, because a trial would expose, details that we really aren't happy about listening to. But if he could persuade a jury that these four ladies who profoundly say it was not consensual did consent, he's home free. If they did not consent, he's facing a lot of jail time. I mean, there is not only physical violence,
how would you prove that they didn't consent unless they filed reports prior, or no?
We don't know if they filed reports prior. It sounds like they didn't, because if they had, we'd know about it. Those reports would be public.
Some of these were fairly recent, too,
yes,
right?
It would be their word, the four of them, against him. He'd have to take the witness stand and deny it, and a jury would decide who they believed.
The fact that this was so fast and that he resigned, obviously the governor telling him to, virtually everyone told him, I mean, it was boom.
It must have been bubbling below the surface, and the governor and the political class must have known about it, and the press didn't get their hands on it until last night. I have not seen a resignation on the basis of just allegations this fast in recent years. I can't even think of one that happened this quickly.
You know, this is one of the most tawdry cases that the tabloids and newspapers are on top of. In your description of what happened, not once did you get even borderline tawdry, which makes you the superstar legal mind you are.
Now, if you want that tawdry stuff discussed in detail, where's Gasparini?
Exactly. We got